The Kenmore display provides users with useful information regarding cycle status, time remaining, and other functions. The display will show cycle time in hours and minutes when a cycle is selected. This time will increase or decrease depending on cycle selected. Pushing the cycle button once will select the first available cycle. The cycle time will appear on the display. Press the cycle button additional times to advance through the available cycles. Once you've selected the correct cycle, push start and close the dishwasher door. Make sure to do this within 3 seconds of selecting your cycle.
If you do not close the door within 3 seconds, you only need to press the start key and close the door within 3 seconds.
If you open the washer anytime to say add another dish, the cycle will pause. You will need to press the start button again before shutting the door. At any point during a cycle, you can cancel the cycle by opening the washer door slightly. With the door open, press and hold the start button for 3 seconds. This will cancel/drain the washer. If you drain the washer, the word drain will turn on and the time display will show how many minutes of drain time remain. Shut the door within 3 seconds and the washer will start a drain cycle. Let the washer drain completely. The cancel drain light will turn off after about 2 minutes.
Okay.